Hi, I'm Cam, the lead facilitator at Elevate. At Elevate, we're driven to deliver maximum return for your training budget. We deploy a four-step process designed to ensure the effectiveness of our training programs. We believe training should deliver real growth, designed in a way to enhance key skills and behaviours specific to an individual's role. Our process makes sure that training is tailored to the needs of everyone, ensures that workshops are engaging and motivating, and builds in a level of accountability to ensure individuals' responsibility for their own growth. Whether you are looking to improve the culture in your business, develop your leadership team, or drive more revenue through more effective sales activity, Elevate's got you covered. Step 1, discover. We interview a selection of people from the business to understand the training needs. This normally consists of someone who's investing in the training, a manager, HR, or the business owner. We also interview a selection of delegates from the business that will be attending the training. This allows us to have a better understanding of the development needs as seen from various perspectives within the business. Step 2, design. We take the information that was uncovered from step 1 and design a program that's right for the team. We provide an agenda that's signed off by the business. All collateral is designed with your company logos and unique industry examples. Step 3, deliver. We deliver workshops either face-to-face at your premise or remote using your preferred teleconferencing system. Workshops are part theory, part discussion, and part exercises. They're designed to discover new concepts, learn from each other, and drive real performance improvements. At the conclusion of a workshop, each delegate fills out his or her action plan, outlining improvements they wish to make, which they share with the group. Step 4, coach. 2 to 3 weeks after the program, we conduct one-on-one coaching with each delegate from the training. This is a crucial step that ensures delegates have actioned the learnings they committed to embedding in their day-to-day activities. We believe this is a unique approach and the main reason why so many of our existing clients continue to use Elevate to drive performance improvements in their organisations. We look forward to working with you and helping you develop your team for greater success.